Guys, do you play Merge Dragons? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Merge Dragons onto your phone that gives you a complete mod menu, unlimited gems, unlimited coins, unlimited bricks, no ads. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys. This fully works and it is totally updated for 2024. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this crazy mod. It's super insane, guys, and it is totally working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the Merge Dragons mod. I'm going to turn on unlimited gems, unlimited coins, press activate. No money, why can't I be rich? I wish it worked, guys. I guess it didn't work. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version of the Merge Dragons onto your phone, guys. So what you need to do is go to this site. It's called ZooMods, and it has a ton of like modded apps and stuff like that, you know, crazy shit. So once you're on this site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and just type in Merge Dragons. So let's wait for it to come up, and there it is, Merge Dragons mod. So just press on this, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it's fully working and it's super insane. I love Merge Dragons, but I don't really like it when I'm poor, so now I'm rich. So yeah, this is super insane, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's fully working, guys, and it's super insane. So if you do want to be a Merge Dragons lover, then be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it is super updated, super insane, and it totally works. I mean, this is super cool, guys. I really like this game, and I don't like being poor. So this is awesome because look how much money I have. And they can't ban me. They don't even know I use the mod. And I'm on an iPhone. They don't ban iPhone players usually, only Android players. But I want to mention this does work on Android, and this mod is totally working, but in the past, like some other mods might have banned Android players. But anyways, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and type in Merge Dragons, and there you go. You can download the Merge Dragons mod. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Super insane, guys. It actually works, and it is super crazy. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and fully updated as well. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I just want to make like the best videos I can to educate the public. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, so subscribe to the channel, and peace out.